Hello, let's solve this question. We have 2 to the power x equal to x to the power 32. How can we solve for the value for x? Let's solve here. Here what I'm just going to do, I'm just putting here 2 to the power x and there is a power that is 1 divided by 32 into x. Similarly, I'm raising power on the right side. Here x to the power 32 is going to raise by a power 1 divided by 32 into x. Now these two, this power and this power will going to multiply. So we have 2 to the power x into 1 by 32 into x. Now I have x to the power here 32 multiply 1 divided by 32 into x. Now you can see that this 32 and this 32 will cancel each other, and we have this x and this x is going to cancel. So we have 2 to the power 1 divided by 32, and here we have x to the power 1 by x. But we are seeing that here this x and this x is going to match, but here this number are not going to match over here. So I'm just going to do one thing, and that is here 2 to the power, I'm writing here 2, just going to multiply here 2, and also I'm just going to multiply here 2 with this numerator. So I have 2 into 1 divided by 32 into 2, and I'm not going to do anything on the right side. So I'm having x to the power 1 by x, and here just I can write 2 to the power 2 multiply 1 divided by 64, and here just same I'm writing here x to the power 1 by x, and you will see that these values are just going to simplify. But before going to simplify, we have to just focus over here. This value is going to give us 2 to the power 2, just 2 to the power 2 I'm writing here, and here's what I'm just going to do here 1 by 64 and x to the power 1 by x. So this is going to this one as a power over here, 1 by 64 is a power over here. So this will be just 4, and 4 to the power 4, that is 4 to the power I'm writing here 4 to the, this is 4 and this is power 1 divided by 64, 1 divided by 64 x to the power 1 by x. Same thing I'm just writing here on this side, so that we can come to our solution. So we have here, that is 4 to the power 1 divided by 64, and here we have x to the power 1 by x, but we are not closer to our solution. So we are just going to do one thing, just I'm going to repeat the same process, that is 2 is multiply with numerator 1, so here 2 into 1 and just divided by here 64. This is power 64 into 2, and same thing I'm just writing x to the power 1 by x, and here you will see that this is what 4 to the power 2 into 1 by 128 I can write. Here I'm writing same thing, x to the power 1 by x. So this can be write as 4 to the power 2 and power 128, here x to the power 1 upon x. Now this 4 to the power 2 is 16 and power is here 128, so this power is 128 x to the power 1 by x. Once again I'm just going to do one thing, because here these are not matching, so 16 to the power, I'm just going to do here 2, multiply once again 2 with 1, and in the denominator 2 multiply 168, here x to the power 1 by x. Now we have here 16 to the power 2. I can write 16 to the power 2 into 168. This is what 128, this is 128. So here we have 256, and here we have x to the power 1 by x. Now 16 to the power 2 is coming here 256, and this power is having 1 by 256, that is x to the power 1 by x. Now we can easily compare here 256 and here 1 divided by 256. So these are matching, and here these are matching. So we can easily compare either exponents or base. So we have this value, that is x equal to 256 is the answer. So here we have x is equal to 256 is the solution of this problem, this one. Let's check it out whether it is correct or not. So we have in the LHS term and we have RHS term. So I'm just going to check it out. LHS term 2 to the power x, so here 2 to the power 256. Now on the RHS we have this value RHS, and this RHS is having 32 as a power of x. So here 2 to the power 256 power 32 I am raising here, and this 256 can be write as what this I need a base as 2 here. So 256 can be write as 16 to the power 16 to the power 2, and there is a power here 32. So this will be what, this will be 16, and 2 into 32 is 64, and 16 is what, 2 to the power 4, and this is what, 64. So it will be 2, and this 4 will multiply, here we have 256. So you can see that LHS and RHS both are same over here. So we can easily declare the value for x as 256, this one. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.